1 cup chickpeas. We need to boil this. Little turmeric you add, salt you add, then water, then boil it. ಚೋಲೆ ಚಿಕ್ಪೀಸ್ ಬಾಯ್ಲ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಪೀನಟ್ಸ್ನ ಹುರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಬಾಯ್ಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇದನ್ನು ಬರೀ ಕಾಳನ್ನು ಸಪ್ರೇಟಾಗಿ ತೆಗೆದಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಮತ್ತು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ವಿಷಯ, ಈ ನೀರು ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಇದನ್ನು ಚೆಲ್ಬಿಡಬೇಡಿ. ಈ ನೀರು ಆರಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಲೆಮನ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅದನ್ನು ಕುಡಿದು ನೋಡಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಟೇಸ್ಟಿಯಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ. ಇದನ್ನು ಡ್ರೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡೆ. ಲಿಕ್ವಿಡ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಲೆಮನ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸಿಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಹೈಲಿ ಮೆಡಿಸಿನಲ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್. ಬಾಯ್ಲ್ಡ್ ಚಿಕ್ಪಿ, ಫ್ರೈಡ್ ಪೀನಟ್ಸ್. ಹಾಯ್, ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಟು ಮೈ ಚಾನೆಲ್ ಜ್ಞಾನ ಸ್ಫೂರ್ತಿ. ಈ ಜ್ಞಾನಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಫೂರ್ತಿ ನೀವೇ, ಮೈ ಡಿಯರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ದಿಸ್ ಸಮ್ಮರ್ eating salads is very good for you. So you see that you prepare on your own. Prepare and give it to your mom. She will be very happy. Okay. Today I am going to show you chickpea herb salad. Okay, how to make it. So all the ingredients I have already shown you. Using that you are going to prepare. One by one I am going to show you. This one is boiled chickpea. You add that 1 cup. Okay, and then you add 1 cup of cucumber, chopped cucumber. Okay, then you add fried peanuts. Okay, you add that, and then you add chopped coriander and mint, pudina. Okay, then you add onion. I am using white onion. You add required salt for it. Then add pepper. If you want, you can use grated amla. I am using it. You can add little grated amla. You are going to add after mixing also you can add lemon. Now just mix it. You serve this. You squeeze little lemon to that. You can add little pepper powder also. And this have 1 cup of that liquid juice, and then 1 cup of this salad, chickpea herb salad. You keep eating and having sip of this, you will enjoy. Very nutritious. See, you mix it later. Taste it. Lot of fibers, very good. It will regulate sugar content. First eat salad and then have your lunch, either it's chapati, idli or dosa or rice, whatever. Have a sip. ಎಷ್ಟು ಚೆಂದ ಇದೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ. ಟುಡೇಸ್ short break snack is this. I'll be giving to my students. As well, I'll be teaching them how to prepare it. ತಪ್ಪದೆ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಪ್ರತಿದಿನ ತಪ್ಪದೆ ಊಟಕ್ಕೆ ಮೊದಲು ಸಲಾಡ್ಸನ್ನು ತಿನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ಮರಿಬೇಡಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅ ಸಲಾಡ್ ಡೇ. See what you brought today for the break. Say loudly.
Chocos.
Chocos. What you brought?
Banana
Chips. Yesterday?
Banana.
You don't remember? Some corn, something
puff
you got. Puff corn using. Oil if they are poured means okay. Same oil continuously they'll be using. That's why today I prepared this salad for you. It is chickpea herb salad. See boiled one. See this is chickpea.
Yes, Mummy.
Kadlekal. If you keep that, no, soak it in water and keep. Morning if you get it will be fully swollen. ಅದನ್ನ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾ, ಬಾಯ್ಲ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಬಾಯ್ಲ್. ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಗಿವನ್. ವೆರಿ ಟೇಸ್ಟಿ. ಟೇಕ್ ಇಟ್, ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಇಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸಿ. Like this different this one pulses, no, you can use it to prepare it. And healthy also, it will be very healthy. You all should bring. Take, this is for you. You all should, you can prepare it easily and it will be helpful for your mom also. It's roughage, you know, fiber, lots of fiber in it, and it will help your digestive system. And it is a fiber, you know, it is very good for the bacteria in the stomach. Which bacteria, you know? Healthy bacteria, good bacteria, which will be helping in digestion. Then you will not get stomach pain only, because food gets properly digested because of this fiber. It contains a lot of fiber. See,
Yummy.
how is it?
Yummy.
If you eat this yummy, you can reduce your tummy. Nice rhyming word, isn't it? To reduce tummy, what you are going to do?
Eat yummy.
Very good, you all finished. Did you like it?
Mom, it was very tasty and very nice, Mom. It was. I'll make it at work later.
For your sake, what I did in the afternoon, I prepared it to give you for the short break. What about Namita?
Mom, it was nice.
Hereafter, will you prepare and bring it and show me? Offer me also. Let me see.
Yes, Mom, I'll also.
Okay.